Okay, now we're ready to do the coding part of this project. We've got our three components: a button, which has an image of the bee. We've got a label telling the user what to do. And we've got a sound, which if you see here is non-visible, but it's there on the screen. So to go and link those two up, we've got to go onto the green bar at the top here, right all the way to the right-hand side, and click on blocks. And this takes us into our coding interface. Just as you did when you were using the coding interface for the BBC microbit, you'll notice you have block controls over here, so all the way down here, and you just drag them across into the window to do the coding. Now the coding for this is quite simple. So what we're going to do is, what we want to happen is we want to use the button. When people click on the button, that's the image of the bee. So in other words, when button 1 dot click, when they click on that, something has to happen. Well, what's it going to do? It's going to play the sound. So I need to click on the sound component over here, and I'm going to call sound 1 to play. So when I click the button, sound 1 plays. Well, that's dead simple. Let's just go back into Designer. You'll notice nothing has changed here, but when we click on button 1, we should hear the sound. Now, this may or may not happen in your emulator window. It's not happening in mine. To actually create this program so that you can download it and view it on your phone, you need to click on the build here and app provide QR for the APK. APK is an Android package that you would load onto your phone. Or we're going to save it to the computer. So if I go save to computer, it's going to build it quickly. It's compiling in some language in the background, possibly Java or C++ or something, creating the actual program. And then you would load that on your phone. Well, I did that earlier, so I'm just going to show that to you quickly. Let's go to it. You probably can't see it on the phone, but I'm getting messages from all over the show. Here we go. So if you, whoops, where is it? I'm kind of challenged here. Here on the phone, if I just click on it, I'm trying to show it on the camera. There we go, put it in front of the camera. And if I click it, it makes the buzzing, the bee buzzing sound. So it does work. I may have to show you when we get back to class. But basically build that APK, download it onto, and then you can transfer it onto your phone. If you go build and you go the QR code, then it does the same. It builds it with a QR code. If you've got a QR code reader on your phone, you just point it, and then you just have to follow the commands on screen. Hope it works for you. Nice first project. How you're going to get this to me, I'll discuss that with you on Teams.